pickling salt, natural vinegar, and some pickling spice. It's gonna be great. The kids really love this. Pickles are so expensive nowadays. Everything's so expensive nowadays. Everybody's gotta agree with me there. So we're gonna get some pickling done. All right, back to pickling. I'm gonna rinse these carrots really well because they have so much salt on them. And we are going to get to it. I'm gonna stuff my jars and put my liquid in, and then we'll boil them up. And get my dill in, my garlic, my shallots. Shallots I like to use for like pulled pork sandwiches, so I make them a spicy pickled. The garlic is just for, well, me to eat. And the carrots I do put them in tuna, I put them in salads. The pickled carrots, that you can literally use them for anything. I'm gonna put the chilies in with the shallots because I like a spicy shallot for my pulled pork and pulled beef and whatever other barbecue I do. So we're just going to grab my rinsed carrots, add a couple garlics. Fill your jars up. What I like to do is take some boiling water and I will boil all my garlic up for about a minute. That'll help stop them from going green. Any really big garlic, I'll slice in half. Now that my carrots are filled to the brim, I'm going to get my dill out. Vinegar, and I usually go 50-50, guys, so there. It's not precise, but it works so well. 50, and then the rest water. I take my shallots, slice them thick, break them up into my jars, throw one hot chili in here, break it up like seeds. Because I'm doing some pulled pork this weekend, and I want to make sure I have my spicy shallots and my pickled carrots, so I'm going to make a nice coleslaw. We'll add some of these pickled carrots into it. Vinegar. Okay. And the rest with water. Okay, this is never fail stuff. Then you just drain your liquid into your pot. Okay, just remember, this is for fridge storage only, not shelf storage. If you're doing shelf storage, you got to do a whole pickling process and boil them and the whole works. Okay, so we're going to bring this to a boil and add about 2 tablespoons of salt. Ooh, that's a little high. That's good. I put about 1 tablespoon and a half in for this mix. Mooch. And I bring her to a boil. Once it's boiling, then I'll lid them, cap them, and let them sit to room temperature for a good 6 hours before I put them in the fridge. You'll see them pop and get sealed tight. Still does not mean they're shelf storage. Put them in your fridge. They're good for a couple months. 3 weeks, they're gonna taste amazing. 24 hours, you can eat them. And yeah, enjoy your pickles. Boiling water is boiled. As you can see, I'm gonna pour it in an easier container. Good. Now we're going to fill up our jars right to the top. A little pickling spice to the top. See, they got bubbles on them now. Soon those bubbles will disappear. Okay.